Okay, guys, hi, Charles, media buyer for Parliament, once again with another one for you guys. This is just a quick one just to show you another tool, a great tool to check any website that you want to optimize for SEO. And this is a great one because I love HubSpot, and they're just so amazing in terms of their integration with with the digital marketing tools. So it's quite amazing. It's called Website Grader. So basically, you just type in a website. I'm just going to type in a website for our client that we're looking at the moment as Parliament, or that we're serving. Um, Oops, it's only two. That's okay. Um, and it's global.com. Please do check them out as well on their website. These guys are doing amazing. They're in the UK or United Kingdom. They offer financial assistance to anyone basically who needs assistance in whatever business, or you know, you just go and tell your story and they'll assist you. And we also, as Pearl Lemon, we offer digital marketing assistance to either individual clients, um, or basically businesses. We would like to keep it at the businesses, because we're mainly dealing with uh, it's more like B2B. So we do some B2C, but most of the times our clients, um, you know business owners and just companies. So you can check us out at parliament.com, and reach out to us. We're more than happy to assist you. Anyway, I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how this works. It's pretty easy. You just put your email address. Doesn't have to be a company email address. It can be your own personal, where you can just get the score, or just the details of what we're gonna check now. So boom, we go get your score. Then we'll wait for it. Doesn't really take time. You know, I love how the way it loads as well. It's quite amazing. So any minute now, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is not a bad score, 72. So which is awesome. So basically, we have DNS. So this site, it also offers you an option to create a high speed website, but we're not going to get into that. We just want to see what it really does. So for performance, this website, it's just above half of 30, which is 15. So it's just a little bit above half of 30, so which is 17. Not that great. And you can also look at the technicals here. Uh, Page size, it's perfect. It's so fast, so light. And if you actually go to the website, you see, yeah, it's so fast, so light, as is written. And then you check for page requests. So obviously, this is they actually also explain, the more HTTP requests your website makes, the slower it becomes. So try reducing the number of files. And it's so amazing because it also gives you a of how to fix, or just a general idea of how you can improve performance of whichever issues that they present. And then page speed, obviously, Page speed is for any website. This is something that you continuously keep working on. Best in class website web pages should become interactive within 5.3 seconds. Any slower and visitors will abandon your site. And this is very important, because a site has to be fast, especially nowadays in a fast-paced world. We need to have fast internet or fast speed on a website. So browser caching checks out perfectly. Minimal page redact, that's perfect. Image size, perfect. Minified JavaScript, perfect. Minified CSS, perfect. If you're not sure of these words, you can just copy, paste it in Google. You get an explanation, or just read these short sentences to understand what exactly is they mean. The SEO is perfect. 30 out of 30, everything. This is great. Permission to index, meta description, content plugins. Perfect, perfect. Now this is important because most people nowadays use mobile, right? So when you're at work, you're on your mobile phone. If you're asked to check something, it's so easy to just go on your phone, quickly tap it in. And so if your mobile game is like this, you need to look at what needs to be fixed. So legible font size is perfect. Tap targets. So mobile-friendly pages perform better in search results. Make sure interactive elements like buttons and links are not too small or too close together. Then the responsiveness of the website is perfect. Yeah, I saw that as well. Then the security of course, this one is also something that you need to look at. It is secured on for HTTPS, secure the data of the company. But for libraries, intruders can exploit outdated JavaScript libraries using the latest version of each library and updating it. So this is something that obviously our SEO team can look into. But yeah, so what should I do next? It also gives you insights on that. For page requests, the recommended is 30, but we have 79 firing. So we need to reduce the number of HTTP requests, the site's making, remove any unnecessary images, scripts or files, and consider lazy loading onto your images, which is really important, that one. And site speed recommend is 5.3. Speed up your site by lighting up your site pages, compressing images and video where possible. Yeah, so basically, I mean, you can go on and on with it, but that's just an insight of this amazing tool. I just thought, let me just put it up to anyone who might want something amazing as this. But yeah, other than that, cool guys. Catch you on the next video. Cheers.